Hey y'all, it's Janine. Come on in, because today I'm going to explain to y'all how you can save money on your home insurance depending on your situation and your preferences. Now, if you know anybody that's moving to Florida or want to move to Florida, go ahead and share this video out so that they can get like a heads up on what they may need to do to be able to afford a house in Florida and the insurance as well. So, come on in, subscribe, like, and share. Now, first thing I want to talk about is this. When you're looking for home insurance, the first thing you want to do is shop around. Don't settle on the first insurance company you see because it may not be beneficial to you. Shop around. You don't have to settle for Aunt Susie's insurance company because she's had them for ages. Aunt Susie's insurance company may not fit your needs. So shop around. Call insurance brokers and call insurance agents. Get them to compare prices for the area that you live in so that you can get the most bang for your buck. Don't sleep on comparing prices, y'all, and don't be afraid to step on somebody's toes and tell them, no, I don't want this insurance company. You find me somebody else. Now, that's the first one. Let's talk about bundling. Y'all have heard about bundling. You seen that little girl on that commercial. She always talking about bundling your house, your car, and everything else. She wear a little bandana like mine, but I think mine's nicer. And she wear a little nurse's uniform, and she always talking to you about bundling your house, your car, and all this stuff. Don't sleep on bundling, y'all. Bundling can save y'all a lot of money. If you go ahead and bundle your house, your car, and whatever else they'll let you bundle. Trust and believe it will save you. Deductibles. Try raising your deductible. Because let me tell you, raising your deductible, y'all, is going to lower your premium definitely. The higher your deductible, the lower your premium. Most hurricane deductibles are 2% of what your home is insured for. That's coverage A. If you can afford to raise your hurricane deductible up to 10%, then do that. Kind of save that little money on the side so that if anything happens to your house, at least you'll have your deductible stock back. And if the insurance pay out, you'll have that extra to cover what you need. But raising your deductibles, all other peril and hurricane, will definitely help you save some money on your premium. Secure your home. Insurance companies will give you a discount if you have security on your home. If you have a security system through a monitored security company, because you have to show proof to the insurance company that you have this stuff. If you have a burglar alarm, if you have deadbolts. Deadbolts are the things that when you close the door, you click it. That thing where when you were little, your mama said, when you come from school, go in that house, close that door, don't let nobody up in there. Hit that deadbolt and lock that door. Deadbolts. Get a discount for a deadbolt. Sprinkler systems. Now, I don't know how many houses that have sprinkler systems. I've seen them in hotels and things like that. So when you're in there smoking and the smoke go up to the ceiling and it starts to go off and it with everything up. But if you have a sprinkler system in your home, let the insurance company know so y'all can get that discount. Okay? Skipping small claims. Now, this is what this means. If you have small damage in your house, do not put in a claim for it. Call a maintenance man. Call a plumber. Fix it yourself. Because whether you know it or not, those little claims will get your insurance increased or canceled. If it's not a natural disaster, y'all, don't open a claim for it. Try your best to get it fixed on your own. Now, a lot of times we blame these attorneys and these contractors and these public adjusters for messing around with the insurance company and our claim, making our insurance go up. But all the while, it's us putting in those little bit of claims. So if at all possible, you can fix it yourself, fix it. and spare yourself a whole lot of heartache and pain, and save us from having our insurance go up because y'all put in all those little bitty claims that wasn't even necessary from the start. Improve your home. Improve your homes by making it a little bit sturdy when it comes to things like natural disasters, hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, different things like that. Improve your home. And some simple things you can do is, like, if you can afford to do it, get a new roof for your home, strap it down and bring it up to code. Get some new windows. If you can't afford hurricane windows, get some new regular windows and buy some hurricane shutters. Get some of that. Upgrade your heating and your plumbing. And for those people who have it, those sump pumps, get those repaired and upgraded. That's going to help you out a lot, and a lot of insurance companies will give you a discount for having those things. Fix your credit. If you got bad credit, that can make your insurance high as well. Some insurance companies will run a credit check on you to find out how financially stable you really are, because they don't want to run the risk of having somebody that don't have good credit, and what they're going to do is put in a lot of claims to try to get some money from the insurance company. So fix your credit, y'all, so you can get a better deal when it comes to your premium. Get rid of high risk items in your home that may cause you some liability. And let me give you an example. If you have a child's trampoline in your yard, that is a really big liability, and I'll tell you why. Because even though it is so much fun for the children to be out there just jumping up and down and carrying on, inviting their little friends over, jump up and down with them, they can get hurt. If your neighbor's child come to your house to jump up and down on the trampoline and get hurt, then your neighbor turn around and sue you. Well, that's a liability for the insurance company, and that can truly make your insurance go up. Too many liability claims on your policy will get it canceled. Trust and believe. So beware of things like trampolines, above ground pools. Those things, ask your insurance company. Some will allow you to have those as long as they're behind a fence and out of sight, fenced in so the children are safe. They may let you have it. Things like trampolines, above ground pools, wooden stoves, and I hate to say it, certain dogs. So before you install those things in your home, or if you already have them, call your insurance company and ask them if you are covered if you put a trampoline in your yard. Now don't go and tell them that you already have one. You call them up and say, if I put a trampoline in my yard, will I still be covered, or will my insurance go up? Don't go up there and tell on yourself you'll be in bigger trouble than you already are. But anyway, that's what you need to do. Oh, and check on that dog too. Ask about lesser known discounts that most people don't even know about. And I'm going to tell you a few. Discounts for senior citizens. Some insurance company will give you a discount because you are a person of a certain age. Go ahead and ask for discounts for veterans. Some have discounts for veterans. Ask about it. Some have discounts if you belong to certain organizations like AARP and those things like that. Some people miss out on these lesser known discounts because they don't know about them, or they don't know to ask. So call up your insurance company and ask about those discounts. Now, here's a good one. It's one that I really believe in. If you cannot do or cannot afford or any of those things that I've already mentioned, that you just figure, I'm not doing that. What you can do to lighten the pressure on your pocketbook is this. Try paying your yearly premium in installments. If you cut that payment up throughout the year, it's a little bit lighter on your pocketbook than paying it all at once. Now, I hope this information helps somebody out there in the future save some money on their home insurance. Now, if you like that tip and you want to hear more, go ahead and ring the bell. Share it out. Leave me a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you want me to explain and I will. And I'll talk to you next time.